The Pacific Ocean, vast and ancient, stretches across a third of the Earth's surface. Its name, meaning peaceful in Spanish, belies its power. Deep trenches harbor creatures unseen by sunlight. The Pacific Ocean, an endless expanse of water stretching from pole to pole. A watery giant that dwarfs all other bodies of water on Earth. Its colossal waves hold the power to carve coastlines and conjure up storms that batter continents. Yet within its depths lies a vibrant world teeming with life. Dolphins weave through the waves, while playful sea otters bob on kelp beds. Giant humpback whales breach the surface. their massive bodies dwarfing the kayaker. Here in the Pacific Ocean, some of the planet's most magnificent creatures make their home. But the Pacific Ocean is more than just muscle. Beneath the waves lie coral reefs bursting with color and teeming with life. These underwater rainforests are vital to the health of the ocean, providing food and shelter for countless species. Coral reefs are often referred to as the rainforest of the sea. They teem with life, providing habitat for over a quarter of all marine species. These underwater cities are built by tiny living creatures called coral polyps. Polyps extract calcium carbonate from the seawater and use it to build hard skeletons. Which form the foundation of the reef. Coral reefs grow very slowly, at a rate of just a few centimeters per year. But over centuries and millennia, they can grow into massive structures. Some stretching for hundreds of kilometers. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the world's largest coral reef system. It's so big that it can even be seen from space. Coral reefs are incredibly important to the health of our planet. They protect coastlines from erosion, provide food for fish, and contribute to tourism and recreation.